$500. That's what the average Australian or New Zealander's been told isn't enough to invest. Your bank's got a minimum. Most platforms show you a $5,000 starting point. So you wait, you save. You tell yourself you'll start when you hit 10 grand. Meanwhile, someone else just started with $500. Here's what happens next. The average person putting $500 into a high-interest savings account at 0.5% per year ends up with $525 after 12 months. The same person putting $500 into an index fund earning 7% per year ends up with $535. That's $10 difference on a single contribution. Still sounds tiny. Now multiply that across time, and honestly, it gets ridiculous. That's the reason we're doing this video. Here's what you actually need to know. You don't need $5,000 to start investing. You need to start, period. 3 quick questions to figure out where you're at. First, have you got money sitting in a savings account right now making less than 2% per year? Second, are you waiting for some magic number before you feel like investing's for you? Third, do you actually know what $500 growing at 7% per year compounds to over a decade? If you said yes to any of those, you're in exactly the right spot. Here's the thing, your bank doesn't make money when you invest. They make money when you keep your money with them. So they've got every incentive to tell you it's not worth starting small. The mathematics though, the mathematics disagrees completely. Strategy 1. Start with $500 per month into a basic index fund tracking the ASX 200 or the NZX 50. The average return over the last 15 years has been around 7% annually. You're not trying to beat the market, you're just trying to match it. After 12 months of $500 per month contributions, you've put in $6,000 at 7% compound growth. You're sitting on $6,210. That's $210 free money just for starting. Most people stop here and think that's nothing, but look at what happens next. After 5 years of the same $500 per month at 7% annually, you've contributed $30,000. Your balance is $38,850. You didn't do anything clever. You didn't pick stocks. You just started with $500 and kept going. That's $8,850 in gains on top of what you actually contributed. After 10 years, you've put in $60,000. Your balance is $83,800. The difference between your contribution and your actual balance is $23,800. That's returns doing the heavy lifting for you. But here's where it gets interesting. The person who waited 2 years before starting, they finally got their $5,000 together. They're starting now while you're 2 years in with $12,000 already compounding. They'll catch up eventually, but by the time they catch up, you're already years ahead. And if you keep going for 30 years at $500 per month at 7%, you end up with $1,040,000. The waiting person who started at year 3, they end up with $803,000. You made an extra $237,000 just by not waiting. Strategy 2. Get aggressive on your first $500. Don't spread it. Put it straight into one ETF. One transaction. No overthinking. The reason this works is tax efficiency. When you're starting small, your brokerage fee is the biggest percentage drag on your returns. A $10 fee on a $500 contribution is 2% of your money gone immediately, but your return at 7% is only $35 for the year, so that fee's actually eating 50% of your first year's gains. One transaction fixes this. You pay the fee once, not every month. After year 1, when your balance is higher, monthly contributions make more sense, but on that first $500, one shot, one fee, done. Strategy 3. Automate it immediately. Set up $500 per month to come out automatically the day after your pay hits. Make it invisible. The person who manually transfers money every month, they skip months, they get distracted. The person with automation, they've done $500 per month for 12 months without thinking about it. Automation beats willpower every single time. And if $500 per month hurts your budget, start with $200 per month instead. The math changes slightly, but it still compounds. $200 per month over 10 years at 7% is $33,540. You didn't need $5,000 to start. You needed to start. Here's the compound projection. 30 days from now, if you do this, you've got your first investment sitting there. No big deal. 1 year from now, you're at $6,210. You're up $210 on your contributions. Most people haven't done this. You're ahead. 5 years, you're at $38,850. You've got actual wealth building. 10 years, you're at $83,800. That's a proper deposit for a house in some areas, or it's a serious safety net, or it's the beginning of real financial independence. And none of that happens if you wait for $5,000. The first step today is simple. Choose one platform, not the fanciest one, not the one with the most marketing. Vanguard Australia if you're here, SmartShares, or Hatch if you're in New Zealand. Open an account, put in your first $500. Do it in the next 2 hours, not tomorrow, not next week, today. The psychological barrier's the hardest part. Clicking the button on a $500 investment feels risky because your bank's told you it's too small to matter. It's not. It matters more than you think. And the sooner you click that button, the sooner time and compound growth are working for you instead of against you. You know what most people do when they see this number? Nothing. They close the video. They tell themselves they'll start next month. And their bank is absolutely counting on that, because waiting is how banks win. They win by keeping you on the sidelines thinking you're not ready. You don't need another $1,000 in the bank. You need to start with what you've got right now. That's 500. That's enough.